in the studio, we've gathered the all-new Ford All-Stars.
You'll get up close and personal with the all-new Ford Bronco and its rugged, smaller sibling, the Bronco Sport.
And we have much more than just mud. If you stay tuned, you'll smell the burning rubber and hear the tires screeching when you meet the all-electric Mustang Mach-E and its speed demon sister, the 1400, a one-of-a-kind creation from Von Gittin Jr.
Plus, we've got the all-new F150, part of Ford F-Series. It's not just tough, it's built Ford tough.
But we'll do more than just meet the vehicles. We'll also dive into the latest accessories. On-road, off-road, lifted, lowered, roof down, doors off. You'll get the lowdown for customizing your ride. And one more very important highlight, we'll also be revealing our project builds.
Follow me, people. Let's go. Now, these customized project vehicles are not to be missed. A lot of grease, sweat, and tears have gone into these builds over the last few months. So it will be a proud moment when the builders show them off for the first time tonight. The builders got to work on 3 all-new Ford products: the Bronco, Bronco Sport, and F-150.
What time is it? It's Bronco time, as you can probably tell from the garage I'm standing in. Pretty cool, huh? So grab your gear and saddle up, folks, because it's about to get all kinds of wild. Let's start by winding the clock back to 1965 to see how this icon was born.
What makes a Bronco a Bronco? When it burst from its stables in 1966, an attitude was born. An unapologetic, mud-splattering, boundary-shattering, category-defining, go-wherever-it darn well pleased kind of attitude. Capable enough for the harshest terrain, but comfortable and functional as an everyday family vehicle. Bronco's ingenuity changed the off-road landscape and empowered a new era of adventure. Bronco was a true performance car for the off-road, a favorite of police, rangers, ranchers, and all-around thrill seekers. It won races and set records. It starred in movies and television shows. It became a symbol of freedom, a pop culture icon. And then in the 1990s, it disappeared. But while Bronco production may have stopped, it was never forgotten. You can't discontinue an attitude.
What an iconic history. And now the story continues. This summer, Ford revealed the long-awaited return of the Bronco. The all-new Bronco stampedes over the horizon with the same built-wild ruggedness, thrilling 4x4 capability, and ready-for-fun attitude that made it an immediate hit 55 years ago. Check it out.
This country has a strange relationship with the wild. As much as we talk about it, and paint paintings of it, and sing songs about how we're destined to be it, we seem to spend every waking hour in places that keep us away from it. So to get back to the wild, we need something built for it. Something that acts like it's been out here before, because it has. Introducing the return of a legend. The all-new Bronco 2-door, the first ever Bronco 4-door, and the adventure-ready Bronco Sport.
We wish Haley all the best on her rookie season. I want to go truck racing, and I want a truck like Jimmy's. I mean, maybe we could combine the two? Who knows?
Before we move on to the last part of our show, where we will be featuring the new Bronco, we have one more slice of built Ford tough to show you. Meet the all-new 2021 Ranger Tremor project build, outfitted by Ford Vehicles Personalization Team. This truck enables even the most adventurous of lifestyles. They use the all-new Ranger Tremor as a starting point to create the ideal mid-size overlanding rig.
Now, this thing is incredible, right? Right out of the factory, but there's a whole range of Ford accessories and Ford performance parts available, so you can customize it from rolling to the most remote trailheads to carrying a mountain bike, a kayak, and all the gear needed for a day of thrills and chills. The new Ranger Tremor off-road package includes new 17-inch magnetic painted alloy wheels, off-road tuned Fox 2.0 shocks, rear tow hooks, bigger tires, and auxiliary switches, just to name a few, which means you can accessorize like crazy.
Here it is, the all-new F-150. This thing has been redesigned from bumper to bumper. Every body panel is new. It has a tougher, more planet look, but the headlamps continue that recognizable C-clamp design. You'll know it's an F-150 when it comes at you, morning or night. And folks, this new F-150 features 11 grills across the lineup and 15 different wheels. But that's just the exterior. The interior is packed with features to boost your productivity. There are navigation and entertainment options, of course, but it's also packed with awesome features like the available Pro Trailer Backup Assist, which makes backing up a trailer as easy as turning a knob. It doesn't matter if you're towing a boat or a jet ski, you've got this. Plus, it's the first full-size pickup with standard over-the-air updates, meaning your all-new 2021 F-150 will stay up to date. And check out that interior. The available Max Recline seats give you a business-class resting experience in the front, and there's an available work surface that folds out from the center console. And it's still built Ford tough with a military-grade aluminum alloy body and high-strength steel frame.